So I just want to share some of the sounds, from the Xere Cultural Festival, and to help you appreciate how different the environment of Columbia, Missouri is, and in context to Xere village in Botswana. And, even just hearing the sounds, you can tell that, whatever health message, health communication that I have that was designed in Colombia, I need to adapt it, right? It would have to suit the environment, the local context. You can't just take a message designed for Americans and send it straight to Botswana and expect it to resonate, because just listen to the differences in these sounds, in this culture, and the environment, right? And think about where you are in the US and how different this is, right? It's all in the footwork. It's in the footwork. It's in the hand clap. You can literally sense the difference in environment. How a message needs to adapt to what we are hearing. Yay. Anyway, I was just, because sometimes you have to appreciate context, right? And context comes across so much in this video. Just cultural context and why you can't just take a message from a different global region and expect it to resonate with the people in different cultures. Do you know what I mean? So the reason why we talk about culture, we talk about tradition in health communication is because we are talking about so many different environments, right? How people seek health is based on these different socio-economic and cultural environments where we come from. Alrighty, I just wanted to share a little bit. I love traditional music. Yo, I can spend all day watching this for sure. Hey, all right. Anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day, my friend. And most importantly, I hope you're having a healthier day wherever you're watching from. Bye.